Also, I want to find out if she left her child back there. Do you know that your child is not in the stroller? You know the child is not in the stroller? I'm joking, the child's not in the stroller. Oh, okay, no worries. I'm live on TikTok. Say hi. Excellent. What's his name? No, I'm kidding. Anyway, look at that boat. It's a little too close to the jetty over there. Oh my God, the people, the fishermen are gonna get very upset because the line, he's a little too close to the lines, you know. That's no good. Okay, so we're gonna watch them come back. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be here because oh wow, look. They're running away. The kids are going to see it and then they're running away because they're getting splashed. So this will make for a good nice and white satin video. The way it's rocking back and forth. That's therapy 4. Oh my goodness, this is not good news. This is not good news. It's not bad news, but it's not good news at the moment. They should go back. I think they should go back. Now I'll tell you why. 3 in the sea on a day like today, not the best idea. I don't think it's the best idea. Some people know how to handle it. I don't know who these people are. And plus, we're going to see a yacht soon, so just go. Yeah, go back. That's not the yacht. The yacht is coming up over there. We'll see them just glide and glide until they make space for the yacht. Hello. This is the boy that belongs there, right? So I was right by asking what's his name. Okay, hold on. Say bye-bye. I'm going to get bye. That's the one that I thought that I was gonna tell his mom that the baby escaped. Anyway, that's a nice yacht. Have a good day. Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. He always falls asleep. Yeah, I'm going to video that. Yeah, thanks. She said one of the people fell asleep. They always fall asleep. I don't think it's so funny anymore. It's very, very, very hot. If you're not doing live stuff, you're likely to fall asleep. If you're just waiting for some stuff, you're going to sleep. So that's a yacht. Let's see if they come back. If they don't come back, I'm going to focus on the jet ski with 2 people. No, they went back. That's smart. Anyway, I'm waiting for a phone call. I was waiting for a phone call and I didn't get it just. I'm waiting for a phone call. I'll stay live until I gotta go. What are these people doing over there? I think they're getting a little too close to the rocks. You know what? If they do get too close to the rocks, the lifeguard is actually going to whistle at them. You see? The yacht is still having trouble until the next boat. Let me show you. The yacht is still not, I don't mean trouble. The yacht is not going smoothly. As smooth as it wants to go. Yachts are supposed to have some kind of a mechanism to counter the waves so they can go straight through them. They may just not be activating it, maybe because of gas. I don't know. I'm just guessing, but let's take a look. Maybe they'll come back because it's a really uncomfortable ride so far. I see a boat. They are turning. Let's see what they do. It's possible that they're turning just to go somewhere on the left side, but we'll see very soon what they plan on doing. They may have found some calm ground. Sometimes when people go to the left, it works. But in any case, this guy's been performing for us. This is the guy that said he's going to go on the jet. Not him, huh? I'll show you in a second. Where is he? Hey, did you go on the jet ski with Maxi? No, it's a little dangerous, right? Maxi is the French bulldog. It's not a good day for it. I would agree. Maxi. What's the other one's name? Nina? Nila? Nina. Because I said Maxi and she turned. Nina. No, you're sweet. Look at her. Next. The jet skis are coming, so let's take a look. Okay, the yacht seems to be doing much better. I'll show you after the jet skis go. I want to see this one. I want to see how these people are doing. I think there's a boat coming. Let's check right there. I see quite a few boats. Let's see if they're coming, because they may be coming. If not, there will be other boats coming back. And if not, my wife is going to call and I'll go back. But let me show you the yacht. Just want to show you the yacht is finally doing pretty good. It's going straight to the left. Who's my biggest competition? I have no competition here. I have zero competition here, and I don't think I will have, because there's billions of people on this, right? It's not the type that, it's not like I'm going to put on YouTube and I'm capturing the same thing and it's a reel and people are like, oh, you know, they're not coming to me, they're coming. I have a certain way of narrating stuff that no one else is alike. I don't copy anybody, so no one is going to copy me. It's not possible to copy me if I don't copy anybody. That means I'm spontaneous. So if someone else is spontaneous, it's great. Why? Because they're a different type of spontaneous and they're going to speak to different type of people. You see what I'm going? Okay, the boats are coming. So yes, I don't see competition. Number one, physically, there's nobody here competing with me. There are only people here that have YouTube channels. They are not live. You can't find another TikTok live channel here. They're not live here. And when they come, I don't think they're going to be competing. Because they're going to get a crowd that doesn't like the way I narrate. That's it. Put it this way, if someone doesn't like the way I narrate, they're not going to be here now either. So let's go to this boat. This boat is next. Now I can't see all the other. There was a while that the sun wasn't out. I was able to see a question because it was in caps, but I can't see the screen anymore. I gotta look very close just to make sure the boat is in the screen. But the words are very hard for me, so I can't. Bye-bye, Maxi. And bye-bye, Maxi. Bye-bye, Nina. See you. They're coming back, so let's take a look at why. Oh, everybody's coming back. Look, they're coming back. And the blue ones are coming back. Let's take a look at these people first, and then we'll go to the blue ones. Sorry if I think I have them in the frame. Hold on. And then these people. Maybe they are like sister boats or something. That's not South Boat. This is Haulover Inlet. South Beach is to my left. I think there's another boat coming. I see it over there. Look. I think that boat's coming. If not, the Jetskis are coming. Yeah, I think the jet skis are coming. Now, even though it's just one jet ski, it may be two people. Guys, can you let me know if the wind is getting in the way? Because the muffler is there, but it's kind of low. I'll put it up in a second. Did they just catch something big? Let's see. They're all standing around the floor. What's going on? I can't tell. But you know what? That could be a boat. I mean, it is a boat. I just can't tell if it's coming or going. Then we have two boats coming in from far. It's coming, but it's stopping over there or something. Let's see. Okay, so in any case, we have two boats competing now. I'm going to show it to you from far. Maybe it's three. I just see two. Okay, let me show you here. They're out there. And they look like they're heading in this direction. Let me zoom in and see if I can see the screen. So far it's one, but let's see what else happens. It's already jumping. The other one's behind it, so it's only one for now. It's very far, that's why it's so blurry, but as soon, I'll show you. As soon as it comes closer, you'll see it better. I'll zoom out and it's not gonna be so blurry. It looks like it is coming our way. Sometimes they just go from left to right, but this one is coming our way. And yeah, it looks like it's giving us a good show. And then the next one looks like it's turning, and then there's another one behind it. Let me show you the one behind it, which is right there. But this one looks like it might be coming here. I don't know yet. Let's see. Remember, sometimes they go from right to left, and we'll see soon. So I can't tell which one's gonna come before. You see, it's that one. Or let me show you the other one. It could be this one's gonna be here before. You see this one? But one thing I know for sure, the one to the right is heading our way. I don't know which one. You see this one? This one's doing good over there, so let's keep to this. Yeah, this one may be here before, so let's keep to this. Yeah, so if this one's here before, we'll see the other one right after. Hi, look. Okay, this one's out of trouble. This one's good too. Now there's another one coming there. Let me see if you can see it. I don't know where it's headed, but it's a big boat and it's going up and down, up and down. Let's see what's happening with it. Let's get back to it because I want to give you a 360 view. Okay, so right there is Haulover Beach. The buildings I'm showing you is Sunny Isles. This right here is the Haulover Inlet. Over there is the Haulover Sandbar, where a lot of the boats, you can just walk out of the boat. So that's why you see a lot of boats there. Not all of them come here, but the ones that come here give us a good time. So that's that beach. Let me get there. The boat is coming soon. That big yacht boat is coming. Let me show you. There's other stuff happening you're going to see in a moment. But for now, let me give you a 360. So you can see our beach. You can see the beach in Bell Harbor. The waves are pretty high. We had some surfers here. Right? We had some surfers. And we're going to have the... we're going to focus on the yacht now. The yacht is coming from far over there. And my battery's all tangled up. We have some more boats coming from the right, and they may be here before the yacht. So we'll get to them. Whatever is best. Then, okay. Now the police is probably checking to see who's off the side of who's like on the side. In other words, people are not supposed to fish from the rocks. So if you go on the rocks, the police is going to tell you to go. By us, the halftime show is Jetskis. Okay, so I see which boat is coming in first. It's this one. Look, they both got up. Looks like that person wants to go over the, yeah, you see, over the waves. He takes it serious. He said it's called Wave Runner. I gotta run after the waves. I can't just I gotta do Wave Runner. It used to be called Jet Ski, but now it's called Wave Runner. So let's go with this first. These are happy people. Yeah, they may come back. Sometimes a boat full of people like that just go through the inlet and come back. Let's see though. lot more clear when they're closer. I don't know if they're going back. They just could be going, another direction. That was the boat full of party people. Let's see if they come back. If the wind is really bad, please text me if you can, either on the Facebook group or my personal text, because I cannot read the comments. Sorry. The screen is so dark that I have to put my face right by the screen to make sure the boat is in there. Okay, and we're also going to see the yacht in a moment. You remember the yacht we saw from far, far, far away? We're going to see it in a moment. But we're going to take a break from both boats and go to this one now for a moment. Okay, so that's the yacht. You remember we spoke about the yacht? And then the boat with the party people is right behind there. They may not be coming back, but that yacht is gorgeous. All agree that that yacht is gorgeous and giving us a good performance. It's been having trouble all the time, until they made a left, remember? Hey, USA First Always. I can see when you come on because the letters are caps. And I can see it for a second. But anyway, let's take a look at this one now. But sorry, I can't see most of the comments. USA First Always or anybody from the group, if you want specifically a comment to go to me, please send it via text. Text on Facebook or on my phone, because I can't, I get lucky once in a while when I see the comments. That's it. No, let's play the game right now. Those people, will they stay or will they go? Okay, quick poll. Start. Red means they're not going to turn around and come back. They're going to stay and go up and down the whole day. Right? Blue means they'll come back. Go. You'll see the red and blue at the bottom. The big smiley face is they're going to stay at sea, go up and down like that. The blue means they're going to come down. I cannot see who's winning. Oh, actually, I could. That's big numbers. I can see. That's much bigger numbers. Everybody thinks they're going to stay at sea and they're not going to turn around and come back. Most of the time, by the way, you guys are right. And you surprise me. You seem to have a better sense than I do. You see what's going on? Like they think, oh, it's getting better now, let's go faster. Boom. That type of boat is just going to continue going up. I don't know how long we'll be able to see it, but now that tower's blocking it a little bit. Yeah, I think it's coming back in our view. You'll see it's going up and down the whole time. Unless they slow down. If they don't slow down and they start going fast again, you'll see the front going up. Watch. Let's see, they may be coming back. You see what's going on? He's got a lot of stuff. What did he get there? He may come right near us, so let's take a look. This is like victory. He got sushi. He got sushi and sardines. Uh-oh, somebody's gonna come. Somebody's gonna fly over. They gotta operate quickly, because if they don't operate quickly, you got green herons. You got green herons. You got pelicans. Everybody's gonna come to take them, but he got very lucky now. He's got good bait. He's got live bait. We're in business, and they're coming back. So, those of you that said they're staying for this time, it looks like they decided to come back. Whoa, they're going up even higher. Don't you have patience? Just wait a little and you'll be... By the way, the tide's gonna bring you in. By the way, they don't listen to me, but I'm just kidding with you guys. You know that. Over there, right over there, they're doing better. Let me see. Okay, the jet skis are coming. And then some lady is like waving in the waves. Look, that lady, I don't know what's going on. She's like waving. Better now. Anyway, let's see what the jet skis are doing. I need to open the umbrella because let me get the wind thing first. There's so much happening. Let me get the wind thing first. Hold on. Hopefully this is better. I can't see the screen at all, so I must get the umbrella because the sun is like baking. The sun, you know, was cloudy for a little bit, so the sun stopped baking. But I'm gonna put the umbrella over the phone, and there's another boat coming. Let me just show you. We're gonna focus on that boat over there because that's going pretty nice. That's going up and down, that boat. Yeah, that boat's coming to us, going up and down, already splashing a lot. Smacking the bottom of the boat and splashing. That's all we look for. Boat smack, boat splash, and for this kid in front of us to laugh. Here we go. Hi. Okay, guys, listen. I saw some comment about haters. Something. I didn't read the whole thing. I just saw a comment. Somebody sent me a private message, and this is what I want to say. I don't know what's happening. I didn't see any negative comments at all from what I remember, because I don't see the comments now. But here's what I want to say. Here's how it is for me. And I want to be very, very straightforward about it. The moment I respond to a hater, the moment I get triggered from a hater, the moment I respond in a smart way, or in like a sneaky smart way, like pretending like I'm better, calling them haters, the moment I do that, I'm a hater. So that's why I made up this policy. We do not respond to them. Somebody asked me yesterday if somebody told me do this. So I just asked, is that a request or a demand? They said it's a request. So I said, okay, I will do it, but not right now. In other words, a request I can decline, but I would not entertain it and start saying, this means it's a... I would not entertain anything that you... If you think it's a hater and they continue to spam us, just block them. I would not respond to a hater. I wouldn't tell them how to behave. It doesn't work anyway. And the moment I'm interacting with a hater in a way that I think they're a hater, I am no different. I'm a hater too. I'm just a hater that's a hypocrite. Why? I'm a hater that's pretending that I'm better than the other hater. So I'm a hater and a hypocrite. That's why it's only blocking on this show. I do not entertain any stuff that are... I don't even want to call it haters. If they're haters, then I'm a hater. Anybody that just... If someone says violent stuff, I'll block them right away, or people are going to block them. Or if someone spams us, meaning they just text repeatedly. So yeah, I would not respond even in a cool way to any haters. Not in any way. And I don't mean haters. I mean, if you think they're haters, don't respond at all. Wait and see. If it was just one comment, leave it. If they're just continuing, you just block and move on. Okay, so we got some nice stuff happening. We got some yachts. At least 2 yachts are coming our way, which is very, very, very good news. Why? Because it's beautiful. The other one looks like it's nicer, but this one has music and there's people in the front. So let's have a good time until my wife... Oh! The umbrella is making me fly. Hold on. Oh my God, this is a dance club. Okay, the next one is nicer, at least in my view. And that person fell off the jet ski. Okay, we'll get back to that. We'll just look at these people for a little bit. It's another party yacht. We're not gonna let go of that guy. It's not, that guy's with somebody else. No what? This is overcrowded. It's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, we'll get back to the yachts. Let's see if the people got back on. It looks like the people got back on the jet ski. Everything looks good now. Yeah, 2 people are on. So I wasn't so concerned because they looked like they were, yeah, but they're gonna fall off again. They should just go. Anyway. Is that 3? Oh, why? Maybe it's not so rocky. Are you guys coming here? No, the other people are staying back. That's good. I don't know how long those guys are gonna last. But anyway, let's get to the boat. That one of the yachts is coming back. It's probably been too hard for them, seriously. I'll get to the yacht right after this boat. Okay, here's the yacht. It's already on its side. So this is party yacht number 2. Number 1 seems to be doing okay, but number 2 is also fun. Let's take a look at them. Let me whistle. I can't see if they're waving. Look at the splashes. The other yacht's actually having a party and they stayed out at sea. In that yacht, it may be that like so many people got seasick. I don't know. Well, anyway, we got to keep an eye on the 3 because the 3 don't usually last. So somebody's got to be there for them. You know, like no one, I don't know if anybody knows. Maybe they have a GPS on it or something, but I'd like to keep an eye. They're just too far for me to worry about, to be able to keep an eye. And I think there's another boat coming back now. I see another boat. So that boat's going to be coming in hot. What do I mean by that? It's hard to explain, but if you look, you will see. It's that boat right there, and it's coming in hot. Is it in the picture? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, that boat's coming in hot. So when I say coming in hot, you know it's from a reel, and I'm copying a reel. right? Like R-E-E-L. But it also means that it's coming in, jumping, and you know, it's getting wet, it's having fun, it cuts like a knife, you know, all that stuff. You see that? It's so beautiful the way it cuts through the water. Let's zoom out a little so we keep it in our frame. And then I'm gonna, nice, thank you. You see, that's good stuff. You're entertaining our guests, our viewers. But remember I told you at the beginning of the day, none of the boats capsize here in my time. When I'm on duty, I never see the boats capsize. It seems like the captains are experienced. Jet skis behave a little strange, so you know that's up to them. It's like somebody decides to jump off the side here. It's the same thing, but usually, when the jet skis flip over, it's not dangerous like the boats. And that's why I don't look for boats. Oh man, did I just use a word that's a trigger word? And then TikTok is good. TikTok, everything is safe here. Just watch. Don't listen to the trigger words. I'm just telling people not to worry, because everyone, as you see, they may be splashing, they may be smacking the bottom of the boat like this one. They are all experienced captains, and they're all safe. That's what I mean. It's fun to watch them. These people are even more experienced than the others. But the only people that do stupid stuff sometimes is the jet ski people. I wish they didn't, but you know, they do it. What can you say? Anyway, there's another boat coming in hot right there. And I think that's a jet ski with the 3 or 2, I don't know. It started off with 3 for sure, but maybe, no, that's 1. Yeah, we do have a boat coming in. We're gonna follow that boat. That boat's gonna be fun for sure. We're either gonna see the 3-person jet ski right there, I think that's it, or the boat, whichever one comes first. I just hope they get here and they get out of here quickly, and they just don't come back here. I don't think 3 people should be here. That's good, they made it back. That's good. We'll get to the boat shortly. I just want to make sure they're back. Okay, good. Okay, here's the boat. I just want the boat to splash the people in the front somehow. They're going slow, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Until out of their inlet, they're still possible that they're going to splash the people in the front. Let's see. Nope. Okay, I see something on the other side. Okay, first let's follow this boat. There's a new guy here. I don't know who it is. I've never seen him before. I'll find out who it is. Like with the big camera, you see what I mean? That's maybe something I need to get eventually, but let's get to the boat. The boat's coming. Okay, we're gonna play the game right now, okay? Right now. Will they stay or will they go? Will they turn around? We're talking about the first one, not the second one. Quick poll. If they turn around, it's blue. If they stay and they go out to sea, and I'm talking about the people on the left, not the people on the right, because we started with the people on the left. When this poll is over, we can go to the people on the right. But let's try to keep them both in our view for now. Okay, we're getting a tie. So we're first going for these people. They're gonna splash the people in the front, I'm almost sure. Let's see if we can keep them both here for a little bit. So most people think they're gonna stay. Okay, I didn't see who won. Did red or blue win? By the way, don't bother answering it on the on this thing because I won't be able to see it. So if anybody from the Facebook group is on, if you don't mind, just tell me who won, red or blue. Okay, we know what the boat looks like, so we'll keep track. But right now, I'd rather track that boat coming back. That's not the boat that... Look who's here. Somebody's here with a kayak. Okay, we have a lot of stuff happening. Let's see what happens at the end here. We have people on jet skis. I'm not going to follow them. I'm going to follow the poor person on the boat. So the... Whoa! Look at that. These people are gutsy, but you see it's safe. They know what they're doing. Okay, those people are coming back, or at least it looks like they're coming back. That's the other people that we didn't take a poll for. The people in the black boat actually found a route that's pretty soft. I see them, but I think it's more interesting to see these people coming back because they're closer. And then there's another boat coming back, really bouncing high. I'll show you right after these guys get it out of the splash zone. Okay, so this is the other one coming in hot. There's another boat coming in hot from there. In 4 minutes, or just after this boat, I'm gonna go off. I'm gonna have to reset, or at least, yeah, I'm gonna have to go home anyway. I'm even if my wife is not up yet, I'm gonna go home and then I'll come back later. I'll be coming back for sunset. Oh my God, the jet skis are coming. What do we do? But this is the main thing coming. This is the Midnight Express, or what, I think so, I don't know. This is a really, really powerful boat. No, this is the black and blue yacht, I think. Hey. Okay guys, I'm gonna go up for a little. I may be back on soon, hold on.